Welcome to this video on finding equivalent fractions. Let's have a look at a few questions together. In this first question, we're going to convert 1/4 into twelfths. Let's look at the denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. Whatever we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator. 1 times 3 is 3. 1/4 equals 3 twelfths. 1/4 is equivalent to 3 twelfths. In the next question, we're going to look at the numerator. Three times 5 is 15. We need to also do this to the denominator. 4 times 5 is 20. So 3/4 is equivalent to 15 twentieths. In this final question, we're going to work backwards. Let's look at the denominator. 100 divided by 5 is 20. Let's now do this to the numerator. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So 60 1/100ths is equivalent to 12 20ths. Thank you for watching this video on equivalent fractions. You can find links to more resources in the description below.